Manufacturing today demands speed, precision, and above all, adaptability. Having the right tools becomes essential as projects grow complex and the world evolves rapidly. Enter the Fusion Industry Cloud, Autodesk's commitment to the future of manufacturing. Unlike anything else in the market, it's a platform that unifies all stages of the product lifecycle and empowers you to harness your manufacturing data, ensuring you're always ahead of the curve. At its core, the Fusion Industry Cloud will unite every step in the product development process: design, engineering, PDM, PLM, MES, and manufacturing. The Fusion Industry Cloud will accelerate product development by enabling advanced automation and AI capabilities, unlocking critical insights, and streamlining business operations. Autodesk's Fusion Industry Cloud will give you a deeper insight into your workflows, address bottlenecks, eliminate inefficiencies, and facilitate informed decision-making. Whether dealing with legacy data or initiating a new project, its unified data model will integrate every piece, making it accessible, actionable, and collaborative. A single source of project data across your entire organization and supply chain. Now think of the potential of connecting your people, processes, and data. Teams separated by continents collaborating in real time. Decision makers accessing real-time insights. Designs evolving seamlessly from feedback loops. It's not merely about bringing data and tools together. It's about amplifying their potential. The Fusion Industry Cloud is the model of extensibility and capability. Streamlining workflows and providing a flexible platform democratizes the process, enabling anyone, anywhere to design and make anything with unmatched efficiency. Imagine an environment where your manufacturing processes are seamlessly connected, where the boundaries between design, production, and delivery blur, where the power to innovate is in everyone's hands. That's the transformative capability of the Fusion Industry Cloud. The Fusion Industry Cloud is our response to a shifting manufacturing landscape. It's designed to foster collaboration and streamline workflows. At its core is Fusion. Simple to deploy, but expansive in its capabilities. It represents our commitment to providing reliable and robust tools for those at the forefront of design and manufacturing. Fusion today proves Autodesk's commitment to what's possible for individuals, teams, and organizations of all sizes. Fusion is a central point for design, engineering, and manufacturing, serving those who consistently innovate and build. As Fusion evolves, its unified experience across the entire product development lifecycle promises an unparalleled synergy, where every aspect of manufacturing seamlessly integrates, driving solutions forward, and every challenge becomes an opportunity. For our customers, tomorrow offers more than just advanced tools. It provides a cohesive and evolving ecosystem. Imagine having all your workflows, data, and teams connected, not just digitally, but contextually. That's the magic of Autodesk Fusion. As we navigate this shift and embrace innovation, Autodesk's Fusion invites you to participate in this transformative journey. Together, let's design and make anything.